So if we are going to create a space city that belongs to no one in particular, we need to find a precedent here on Earth to see if there's a city that belongs to no one in particular. And what does that mean? How do we design a city like that? So we're looking at Auroville. It's an international township in India that was founded by UNESCO. It belongs to no one in particular, but it's united as a whole. So there's people from more than 200 countries coexisting in harmony. It's considered an experiment for human unity. So we benchmark some numbers out of this project to really understand how they lay out the different land uses, different urban fabrics. So this is an example of how you're going to approach your design today. You might start to think about the kinds of land uses we need to have. Where are the different zones for different land uses? And then, what is the major urban design layout that you want to propose for each type of land use zone? And then you create the forms that might take on a particular meaning or particular function for that land use zone. So that's the master plan on the right-hand side. This one is the land use plan.